So now let us talk about the graph of the quadratic polynomial. Now, just like a linear polynomial, we know that in a linear polynomial, only one solution it is there. And that's why we are saying that there is only one zero. Means it is cutting the x-axis at one point only. When it comes to a quadratic polynomial, the degree of the quadratic polynomial, it is 2. And how many zeros it can have? 2. But it is maximum 0. It is a maximum number of 0. Like in a linear equation, we always have one solution. But in a polynomial, the number of solution, it is not always necessary to be 2. It may be 2, it may be 1, or it may be no real solution. It is possible. Let me show you how. See, first of all, if it is a quadratic polynomial, guys, just like a linear equation have a graph straight line, the quadratic polynomial have a graph parabola. It has a graph parabola. What is a parabola? So parabola, it is a U-shaped graph. It is a U-shaped graph. So just like this, you can see. Now parabola can be drawn in many ways. It depends on, of course, the polynomial given to us. I have drawn the parabola like this. Maybe when you draw another polynomial, the parabola, it is coming like this. If I take another polynomial, maybe it was going like this. So there can be, in many ways, the parabola can be drawn. Even you can draw the parabola like this also, this and this way also. But we are not discussing this case because we are always taking the input on x-axis and output on y-axis. So the case it is that either the parabola will be upwards. What is the meaning of upwards? When the U-shaped, when the graph will open in the upper direction. When it will open in upper direction, then it is open upwards. Second case, parabola open downwards. What is the meaning of the parabola open downwards? So when the graph will be like inverted U, in this case you can see the graph is opening towards the bottom side, or you can see the downside. So that's why it is graph is parabola is downwards. Now how we can decide, or how we can get the graph of this, that it is upward or downward? So there are many factors in it by which we can decide. So first of all, like what are the cases possible? Let me tell you. There are three cases possible, guys, when you draw the graph of any parabola for a polynomial. So the graph of the parabola can be of three types. So case number one. Let's suppose the graph will be like this, and it is cutting the x-axis at 2 points. Or maybe the graph will be downwards. Maybe the graph will be downwards, but it is cutting the x-axis at 2 points only, like this. So here also it is cutting at 2 points. So in this case, we have two real solutions are possible. Two real solutions. Let us talk about the case 2. Let's suppose now we have drawn the graph of any parabola. It is in the upper direction only, but it is just touching the x-axis at 1 point only. It's not cutting the x-axis at 2 points. It just touch only at 1 point. That 1 point, it is the one solution, or this is the case that there will be one real zero only. Because in this case, basically both the zeros are same. both the zeros are exactly same, when it is a perfect square, when the given parabola or given polynomial equation, that's a perfect square, then in that case both the zeros are same. I will explain with examples also. So this is the case number 2. Maybe it is downward parabola. In this case also this is possible that it is just touching the x-axis and then again change its direction. So in this case also you can see that there is only one zero possible, right? Case number third. Case number third, when we say that there are no real zero. In such a case, when you solve that polynomial equation, but you are not able to find out any of the real zero, there is no any such value of x you will get on which the px it is equals to 0. In this case, when you draw the graph, now the graph will goes like this. Maybe it is upward, but it will not cut the x-axis, or maybe it was downwards like this, but it is not cutting the x-axis. In both the cases you can see it is not cutting or touching the x-axis. That's why there will be no real zeros. No real zeros. Zero real zeros or zero solutions. It doesn't mean that it doesn't have any solution. It does have solution, but they are the imaginary solutions. Means the value of x that you will get there, that is the imaginary value. You will not get any real value on which the answer you get 0. All the three cases you understand? Yes, this is the quadratic polynomial we are talking about, Aditya. Is this clear?